Assalamualaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. Today I deliver a lecture from page number 180, properties of circle. Circle have different properties. First, equal chord of a circle are equidistant from the center. Second property, the perpendicular draw from the center of the circle two chord bisect the chord. Third property, equal chords of the circle subtend equal angle at the center. Fourth property, every semicircle has an angle that measures 90 degrees. Fifth property, all angles subtended by the chord in the same segment of a circle are equal. Exercise 14b from page number 183. In the given figure, R is the midpoint of a chord PQ of the circle with the center O if measure angle ROP is equal to 42 degree. Find the size of angle OPR. Diagram. Find the angle OPR. Step of construction, since R is the midpoint of chord PQ, so OR is a perpendicular bisect of PQ. ORP is equal to 90 degree. And so triangle PRO is a right angle triangle and angle ROP is equal to 42 degree. Angle OPR is equal to 180 degree minus angle ORP plus angle OPR is equal to 180 degree minus angle ORP minus angle ROP. Then angle OPR is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus 42 degree. Now the answer is angle OPR is equal to 48 degree. Question number 2. In the given figure, AB is a chord of the circle with the center O. OC perpendicular AB. If measure AC is equal to 4 cm, find the measure AB. Find the measure AB. Step of construction. Since AB is a chord of circle with the center O and OC perpendicular AB, AC is equal to CB and AB is equal to 2AC. AB is equal to 2 multiplied by 4. So AB is equal to 8 cm.